KPCC President DK Shivkumar held a press conference at Congress office during the media briefing. He highlighted the key issues that the people are facing during the world's biggest lockdown and took a jibe at the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister for not doing enough during these desperate times. Take a look.
The country's lockdown has left vast number of daily wagers and migrant workers stranded and hungry. They were the first in the country's labor force to be hit by an economic downturn. They are beset with problems of sheer survival with lack of food and housing. And these were the key points in DK Shivkumar's media briefing. KPCC President DK Shivkumar held Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa responsible for not doing enough to ease the pain of daily wagers. He said help is not reaching the needy as promised and the daily wagers continued to suffer. DK Shivkumar said the centre and state governments should respond to the plight of these people and deposit 10,000 rupees to their bank accounts.
I request the Honorable Prime Minister of this country, who have been suffering, who have been every day who have been responsible for our upliftment, who is a barber, who is a dry cleaner, who has been selling fruits, vegetables, cleaning, auto drivers, lorry drivers, cab drivers, fishermen, various sectors who have been involved every day in the life of a common man. He has not been protected. I appeal to you, at least 10,000 rupees, a minimum wages in Narega has fixed 275 and odd.
He also added that all developmental activities in the state have been stalled and the government should use its financial surpluses to combat COVID-19. He added that the government could easily identify families whose lives have been upended due to lockdown, as it is not any rocket science.
Either the Prime Minister or the Chief Minister of this country, no one has spoken about these communities. Are they not citizens of this nation? Are they not great strength to this nation? You please tell me, are they not citizens of this nation? Is not our bound duty to take care of them? Yes, of course, you have given some food grains to various people, but these are the people who create strength to us. You don't need any rocket science for this. To identify this section of people.
The KPCC president said the Manrega scheme should be taken a notch higher and more money should be deposited into people's accounts to help them cope with the problems created by the lockdown. Pramod for News 9, Bengaluru.